Hi everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity Max. Today we are going to study about differentiation of one function with respect to another function. We have two different functions. If you differentiate one with respect to the other, what will be the answer? See this, if y is differentiable function of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. This we already know. Similarly, if u equal to fx, that is u is a differentiable function of x, v is a differential function of x, that is v equal to gx, differential function of x, such that du by dx, that is derivative of u is f dash x and derivative of v is g dash x, then the derivative of u with respect to v is du by dv, which is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Okay, we have two different functions. One is to be considered as u and the other as v. Differentiate u with respect to x, then differentiate v with respect to x, then find du by dv using this formula, that is du by dx upon dv by dx. Okay, hope the explanation is clear now. Now we can move on to question number 4 of exercise 1.4. That is the last question of this exercise 1.4. We now see the question number 1 of exercise 1.4. That is question number 4. Differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. We are going to differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. So consider x sin x to be u and tan x to be v. Let u is equal to x sin x and v is equal to tan x. Now we are going to differentiate u and v with respect to x. Differentiate u and v with respect to x. Therefore, du by dx is equal to, see, we have u equal to x sin x. This is a product term, x into sin x. So we have to use the product rule over here. Therefore, x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x is 1. So this is equal to x cos x plus sin x. Let this be equation number 1. Now calculate dv by dx. This is a very simple function. We have to find the derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So this is our equation number 2. Now we can find du by dv. We know that du upon dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Just substitute equation number 1 and 2 over here. So we get x cos x plus sin x upon sec square x. Okay. So this is the answer for du by dv. Okay. Whenever the question is of the form differentiate one function with respect to another function, you have to consider them as u and v separately, differentiate and write the formula du by dv. Then your answer is very easy to solve. Okay. So hope you understood this. Please write it down in your notebook. We'll move on to the next question now. See, question number 2, we have differentiate sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So this question is very easy to solve. Consider this as u and the other one as v. In place of x, put x equal to tan theta. Okay. This type of problem we solve so many times, so please try it yourself. And see question number 3. We have differentiate tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse 1 upon 2 x square minus 1. Here let us put x equal to sin theta, so that we will get some terms in term of tan theta. And here we will convert them into cos inverse first, then we will substitute. So first we let u equal to tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. Put x equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is sin inverse x. Therefore, our u becomes tan inverse sin theta root of 1 minus sin theta, sin square theta. So we know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and when we take the root it will become cos theta. So this is equal to tan inverse sin theta upon cos theta, which is nothing but tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, which is equal to theta. Okay. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta, and your theta is sin inverse x. Now we can differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate u with respect to x. Therefore, du by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So this is our equation number 1. Now let us consider v. Sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Let us reverse this. Okay, so we have v equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. We put x equal to cos theta. Put x equal to cos theta. Therefore, theta equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore, v is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is cos inverse of cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta, which is 2 cos inverse x. Now we can differentiate v with respect to x. Therefore, dv by dx is minus 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. Now we calculate du by dv. Du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. So du by dx is 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and dv by dx is minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square. So the answer is minus 1 by 2, because root of 1 minus x square is getting cancelled. Okay. For u we have taken x equal to sin theta, and for v we have taken x equal to cos theta. Okay. Hope the solution is clear. Now we can move on to the next question. Here see, question number 5 and 7 are easy. Question number 5 is differentiate 3 power x with respect to log 3 to the base x. The derivative of 3 power x is 3 power x log 3, and this log 3 to the base x can be written as log 3 upon log x. Then using u upon v we can differentiate this, then find du by dx. So the answer is here, you can cross verify. Similarly, see question number 7. We have differentiate x power x with respect to x power sin x, and the answer is here 1 plus log x into x raised to x plus 1 minus sin x, and sin x plus x cos x into log x. Okay, we know how to differentiate x power x using logarithmic differentiation. Similarly, x power sin x can also be solved using logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so try these two questions. I will solve question number 6 and 8 now. Okay, now see question number 6. Differentiate tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x with respect to sec inverse x. Let tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x be your u, and sec inverse x be your v. Okay. Now we have to simplify this cos x in the numerator and 1 plus sin x in the denominator. Okay. In the previous exercises we have solved this type of problems, and the formula for cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and for 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Okay. For your understanding, I am solving this problem again. So let us substitute. Therefore, u is equal to tan inverse cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now this can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2, multiply cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. And this we can write it 2 times. This is tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 using a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon, since this is a square we are going to write it 2 times, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay. So we can cancel out cos x by 2 and cos x by 2, and this is equal to tan inverse. Now I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So this will become 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. And this is nothing but tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this will become pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now let us differentiate this with respect to x. Okay. So this type of problems also we have solved in the previous exercises. Therefore, du by dx will be, this is 0 and this is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx. So our v is sec inverse x. When you differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Okay. Because derivative of sec inverse x is 1 upon x into root of x square minus 1. So this will become minus x root of x square minus 1 upon 2. Okay. This will go to the numerator and we have 2 in the denominator. So minus x root of x square minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So the solution is clear. First we have to consider u to be tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Then substitute the formula for cos x and 1 plus sin x. Simplify and differentiate. Similarly differentiate v and find du by dt. So now we can solve the last question, that is question number 8. Okay, now see question number 8. See, the question is easy to solve, but we need to practice more to know what to substitute in the question. So the question is, differentiate tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x with respect to tan inverse 2x root of 1 minus x square upon 1 minus 2x square. Okay. We have to understand what to put in this type of questions. See, we have 1 plus x square. So whenever you put x equal to tan theta, then we have 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Okay, some answer. Here we can put in place of x sin theta so that this can be transformed into tan 2 theta. Let us start with that now. So let u equal to tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Put x equal to tan theta. Therefore, we have u is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and root of sec square theta is sec theta. So this is tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we are going to convert this sec theta into 1 upon cos theta and tan theta into sin theta upon cos theta. And now cross multiply this and our denominator will get cancelled. We will get tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. We know that 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So this is tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sin theta will get cancelled. So we will get sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2. So this is tan inverse tan theta by 2 which is equal to theta by 2. And what is your theta? Theta is tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse x upon. Now we can differentiate this with respect to u. Now we can differentiate this with respect to x. U with respect to x. Therefore, du by dx is derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. And we have this. We hope you understood. In place of x put tan theta, so we get theta equal to tan inverse x and solve it to get du by dx as 1 upon 2 into 1 plus x square. Now we can solve for v. So v equal to tan inverse 2x root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus 2x square. Now we can put x equal to sin theta. Put x equal to sin theta. So theta is sin inverse x. V equal to tan inverse 2 sin theta root 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is equal to tan inverse 2 sin theta. See, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta and root of cos square theta is cos theta upon 1 minus 2 cos square theta is cos 2 theta. And also we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So now sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta will become tan 2 theta which is 2 theta which is 2 into theta is sin inverse of x. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. We get dv by dx is equal to 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Because derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Now we can calculate du by dv. Therefore du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx. Already we have du by dx and dv by dx substitute. So 1 upon 2 1 plus x square upon 2 upon. So hope you understood all the problems solved in today's class. In the coming videos we are going to solve exercise 1.5. So do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Take care and bye bye.